Hello, welcome to Marvelous Iran channel. Today I'm at the center of Isfahan city, in Naqsh-e Jahan Square. This square is a magnificent example of Persian Islamic architecture and is surrounded with remarkable structures. Every single Friday and Tuesday, come along with me on a journey through wonders of marvelous Iran. Naqsh-e Jahan Square, also known as Imam Square, is a historical and cultural centerpiece located in Isfahan. It is one of the largest city squares in the world and has been recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1979. The square is a magnificent example of Persian Islamic architecture and is surrounded by remarkable structures. Construction of Naqsh-e Jahan Square began in 1598 during the reign of Shah Abbas the Great, the ruler of the Safavid dynasty. The square was designed to be the centerpiece of the new capital city, Isfahan, and served as a venue for various royal ceremonies, polo matches, and festivities. The square covers an area of about 89,600 square meters and is surrounded by four significant monuments. Imam Mosque or Shah Mosque. This grand mosque stands on the south side of the square and was completed in 1629. It is a masterpiece of Persian architecture featuring intricate tile work, calligraphy, and a large central dome. Sheikh Lotfollah Mosque, located on the eastern side of the square. This mosque was constructed between 1603 and 1619. It is known for its exquisite tile work and unique architectural design, including a hidden entrance. Qapu Palace, situated on the western side of the square. The Qapu Palace was built as a grand gateway and later served as a royal palace. It is notable for its impressive music hall and the beautiful views it offers from its terrace. Qeysariyeh Portal. This magnificent gateway is located on the northern side of the square. It originally served as the entrance to the Royal Bazaar, which is still active today and offers a vibrant shopping experience. Naqsh-e Jahan Square is not only a historical site, but also a bustling hub of activity. It attracts both locals and tourists who come to enjoy the beauty of the architecture, stroll through the gardens, and experience the vibrant atmosphere of the square. The surrounding buildings house shops, cafes, and traditional handicrafts stores where visitors can purchase Persian carpets, miniature paintings, and other local crafts. Naqsh-e Jahan Square is a testament to the rich cultural heritage of Iran and remains a symbol of the country's artistic and architectural achievements. Its grandeur and historical significance make it a must-visit destination for travelers interested in Persian history and culture.